sorry neighbors, but it's gonna be loud. Alright, we're taking the Lambo to Street Aero to look at the latest review of the 2JZ Lambo. So some of you commented that there's a check engine light, but this is fairly normal in Gallardos and Lambos because this car has aftermarket exhaust. It has the high flow cats, so this is normal, don't worry. Alright, I'm gonna give some beans for these guys. got the cops here.
Yeah.
Here comes I mean, as long as I'm like, no, you're good. I'm a huge car fan, dude. Yeah, there's some crazy cars inside.
Chicken Earl?
Highest spec SVJ to ever roll off the production lines.
For real?
The very last one.
This right here. Pink with white interior, it's crazy. It says it, you check it out. It's fucking nuts.
There's cheese and pepperoni.
Now these are awesome cops. They love cars. Now this is an awesome cop. Checking out the cars. Yeah, that's what we need in the car community. Hats off for this guy. Boom. In-N-Out burgers, guys. Would you take the SVJ or the Superleggera? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, we got the Countach and the SVJ. Got the new GT3 RS. Pretty sick. Alright, give it some reps. Oh, we got a Ford GT. Well, I deserve to park outside here. Jeez. Nothing beats a pepperoni pizza and a Ford GT right there. Yeah. Now that's a car beat. Look at the license plate. XXXXWHP. I think that's a cop. Yep. Got the Ford GT V8, got the Huracan Performante, the V10, the new 992 GT3 RS, the inline 6, and an Aventador SVJ Roadster with V12. And look at it, we got In-N-Out on the spoiler right there. Yep.
He's pretty chill. I'm surprised for
got a Countach. Alright, I'm gonna give some revs for those people.